It looks like rusty.
Mm-hmm.
Cool.
It's made out of paper.
Yeah.
Wait. This is the best part. Look
What's
at
that? A file. A hoe.
Trowel.
A trowel.
Mm-hmm.
Trowel or error.
Look at this one.
That's a watering can
Uh-huh.
with a spout so it doesn't spill out the top.
Mm-hmm.
Clever. That's all in this greenhouse. You have to make your own tools.
Everything.
Oh, you have like
everything.
an easel.
Everything.
You have like somebody painting in there.
Yeah. Seeds, paintings,
Paintbrushes,
birdhouses,
lettuce.
stool. Yeah. They make all these things.
What's the round thing? A roulette wheel?
This is a wagon wheel decoration for the front later.
No, what's the framed wheel? Color wheel.
It's just a painting.
It's a painting.
Decoration.
Where'd it go? There it is. It's a painting with numbers on it. It's a clock.
Yeah.
Oh.
It's a clock.
Yeah.
Books. There's all sorts of things.
Books.
Cabinets I made.
Books,
All
Jerry.
stuff.
Remember that from Seinfeld?
Books, Jerry.
Books, Jerry. So what do they got that I don't got? They read, Jerry. He's holding a magazine. He's like,
Yeah.
I read. It's books, Jerry. Oh. He's just like, oh. He doesn't even try to fight.
Yeah.